In this video, I will teach you the sunnah after sneezing. When you sneeze, you should say Alhamdulillah, and the people around you should say to you, Yarhamukullah. And if they say that, you should say, Yahdikumullah wa yuslah balakum. A hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari says that the Prophet ﷺ said, if any one of you sneezes, he should say Alhamdulillah, and his brother or companion should say to him, Yarhamukullah. When the latter says Yarhamukullah, the former should say, Yahdikumullah wa yuslah balakum. Make sure to implement this sunnah in your lives, brothers and sisters.